Hello everyone, welcome to EduTech Corner. So today once again I will be showing you one more software, that is VideoProc converter. So as you can see, it is fully licensed. Now this VideoProc converter can do many jobs. It is a package of all the video editing softwares. You can edit the video, you can save the DVDs, you can download any video from any link, and you can record the screenings. So first I will show you how to use this and what are the different features, and after that I will show you how you can install this software. Now to download this software, you have to subscribe to our channel and come to our Telegram channel, where I have uploaded this software with its license key, so you can use it for lifetime. So guys, if you are new to this channel, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. So if you click on video, so you can drag and drop video which you want to edit. So let me add one video here. So here I will click this some random video, so it will upload here. And in a trial version you can edit or use only video with only 5 minutes length, whereas in a full version you can edit or use for any longer video. So here first thing is you can add an effect. You can add any effect you want, whether you want to convert into grayscale, noise, mirror, or there are so many effects you can use this. That is the first thing. And you can also add a subtitles. Either you can add a subtitles from the txt files, and you can cut this video, you can crop video, and you can add a watermark. So here you have to click enable watermark, and here you can type whatever you want. Okay, so then it will appear here. Wherever you want you can place it, and you can change its transparency, so by varying here. And also if you want you can add an image also. So click here and add an image as a watermark, and click OK. Okay, so then the watermark will be added. And also you can if you click run, it will convert into that respected format. So you can select the format here, whether you want MP4 or different codec formats. Okay, whether you want it for Android version, and then you click run, it will convert. So that is the first features, and the same way you can do it for music also. Okay, so if you want to clear this screen, you can clear it. So then the second option is the DVD. So now if you have any video or content in DVD, you can save this DVD in a separate disk, and you can use it for a lifetime. So that is the one more good option. So there is a downloader. So in a downloader, what you can do is you can add any video from any website and click analyze. So it will analyze the analyze whether that video is valid or not. Okay, once it is done, you just click download selected video and click download button here. So it will take some time to download. Once it is downloaded, again you can do all the video editing task. Okay, so I'll come back. So next is a screen recorder. So here actually there is a good option in a screen recording. Either you can record a screen, only screen, or a webcam, or you can select this option, screen with the webcam. So you can record a screen while showing a face cam at the corner, or you can record a webcam while showing the screen. So there are two options. So here you can change the mic options, whether you want default or you can select whatever you want, and you can click record option. So once you click a record option, it will start recording. Now these are some of the features I showed you in a VideoProc recorder. Now if you want this software, you can check our Telegram channel and download this software and use it in your system. So in the next stage, I will show you how you can install this software in your Windows machine. You can visit our Telegram channel to download this software. Channel link will be given in the description. So once you have downloaded the zip file, so you can unzip this zip file. I'll click extract here. So here you can see VideoProc converter 5.3 version. So double click this and install this software. So click install. So once you are done with installation, so don't click launch, close this. Okay, so then go to crack folder. Here select this file, Ctrl C, and go to desktop, right click, open file location. So here paste this and you click replace in the file destination and give administration privileges. So now double click. So here you can give any email ID and here you can enter any license code and click activate. Okay, so then click next. Okay, now you can see you have successfully downloaded and installed VideoProc full version. So if you like this video, please press like button, also share with your friends and subscribe to our channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you.